You mean to tell me that you spend over 40 hours editing and crafting together the perfect wedding film, and you deliver it to your couples using something like YouTube or Dropbox? We have to get better than this. In this video, I want to show you how I have leveled up my delivery experience, the exact way that I send couples their films, and why it matters so much in your brand. Gone are the days of just emailing over a YouTube link. There are so many better options, and I'm going to show you exactly what I've changed and what I do in order to provide the best delivery experience that's on the market. You see, couples don't really understand bit depths or codecs. They understand experience. They know luxury presentation when they see it. They know what the box should feel like. They know how the product should be delivered. So ask yourself, is there a disconnect between your brand and the product that you deliver? The delivery experience is actually part of the product that you're offering, and most of us get so excited to be crossing that finish line with either our films or our photos that we just kind of want to get the project out the door. It's in the rearview mirror. Let's just get it out the door. It'll be fine if we just send it over in a link. And I can tell you this from experience, the final delivery matters. You want them to have a great experience from beginning to end when they're working with you. Before that, I want to talk about why I stopped using things like Dropbox. Dropbox to me is great for sending files maybe to an editor, but Dropbox feels clunky. Dropbox feels transactional. It feels corporate. It feels business. And for me, I want people to have an elevated experience. And so you have to ask yourself, what kind of experience do you want to give to your couples? And does Dropbox really do that for you? Does sending a YouTube link really do that for you? Whenever you're working with things like YouTube, there are ads on the screen. There are ads before videos sometimes, or things pop up, or it just doesn't look nice. And then with Vimeo, it just kind of feels like a player. It doesn't feel like an experience. That is why I really love brands like Vidflow, and that's who I've been using for the last couple of years, and I honestly haven't found anything on the market that delivers the experience that Vidflow delivers. And I'm going to walk through Vidflow and how I've been using it within my website to deliver a custom embedded gallery, and I'm going to talk about some of the features that I love the most. Let's start with creating a gallery. As you can see on screen, it's really easy to click a button and create a gallery. There are options and templates for you to use for the style. My favorite's actually the Gatsby. And what happens is they make it so easy for you to upload your films. You can upload the full resolution films, and this allows the couples to watch it in full 4K and download at the highest resolutions. The upload process is super simple. I select all the videos that I want to put into the gallery and it starts uploading. From there, I can link the media and it automatically adds it to the gallery. It is sleek. It's easy to change out titles. It's easy to change out thumbnails. It makes it very easy for you to brand this as an experience immediately. In the settings, you can add your logo, your brand colors, and you can save different presets so that literally you upload your films or your photos and then you click your preset and it looks exactly like your brand. I also have to mention that it's just such a clean and sleek interface. As a creative, I want something that feels like it was made for creatives, not for corporations. If you open up your mobile device, you can actually see the mobile experience that you get. And what I started doing a few years ago is creating a custom URL on my website. I have a template that I've created, and that allows me to embed the gallery directly into my website. Why do I do this? Because I want couples and their families coming to my website instead of going to YouTube. I want couples and their families seeing the work on my website, coming back to it again and again because of brand recognition, because they're going to continually remember that John Bunn Films is the one that photographed their wedding. I embed it easily by copying the code inside the gallery, pasting it into my website, and it immediately updates into my website. And it allows me to send that to the couple. What an experience. The thing that I think matters, especially as you get into some luxury and ultra luxury markets, is that your couple never feels like they're leaving your brand experience. And That's something I preach a lot, is the entire brand experience. Imagine opening up your brand new iPhone, you open up the box and it's cardboard in there. It's brown, it's kind of ugly, and that's what your iPhone is sitting in. Or there's not that plastic cover on the phone that you like to pull off that's really nice, or it doesn't fit just perfectly in the box. All those things take your product from just a product to an experience. And if you're wanting to charge more with your weddings, experience matters. And what I really love about this is this option. When I send this over to my couples, it feels like a private screening. It doesn't feel forced. It feels not like just a gallery or a file delivery system. It's not just an email they click and it downloads to their hard drive. It's like they get to experience it for the very first time. And I've had so many comments from my couples saying, wow, this experience was incredible. I want my films to be experienced in a cinematic way, not just on a phone, but on a big screen. Imagine your couple sitting there getting their film for the first time and they're having to watch it on their little 5-inch screen. Or if they can pop some popcorn or open up a bottle of champagne and watch the film on the big screen for the first time. Imagine the emotions, imagine the experience that they're going to have. Instead of listening to it on the speakers on their phone, they can listen through the sound system that they have connected to their TV. Vidflow has done the hard part for us. Vidflow works on smart TVs, all the major TV brands, all the major streaming devices, and even on cable set-top boxes. I mean, they've covered the entire gamut of options for you and your couples. At the end of the day, I don't think our wedding films are supposed to live on links that people watch on their phones. I think couples want to pull the film up for their anniversary or with their kids one day or with their family or at a holiday and be able to experience it together. Honestly, it's not that much more work. It might actually be less work to deliver something like this. A premium experience creates referrals. Couples will remember how you made them feel, and planners notice elevated presentation. That's just the truth. Presentation affects perceived value. So if you're wanting to upgrade the way you deliver your films, I have a link in my show notes to give Vidflow a try today. Start elevating the experience that your couples have. How do you deliver your wedding films? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video has been helpful to you, do me a favor, hit the like button. It helps me out a ton. It's the best dollar for dollar service that you can add to your workflow to elevate the experience for your couples. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thanks so much for subscribing. I'm out here to help you shift your focus, to help you focus on things that are going to get you unstuck from the middle market. So many freebies in the description below. Do me a favor, go and check them out, and I will see you on the next video.